Right, guys, welcome to Crypto Weapon. It's your boy again, and I'm just looking at this platform, Quopi AI. Now, guys, this has been a brilliant platform so far for me. Probably the best platform in 2023 when it comes to trading, and when it comes to consistency, delivering, no issues. They're still developing extra things to pop on here, so this is going to be absolutely exciting going forward, and I can't see any issues with this platform as far as I'm concerned so far. So obviously, guys, to get started, you can just click there, you go in and start staking and copy trading their trades, which shouldn't be a problem. Now, if you want to take a look at what they've done recently, which is it's crucial, they've done this pretty much today or yesterday, as it were. 2% before, 208 prior to that. So it looks good. It's a good average. What I can say is the average that you'll get every day is between 5% and 1.3. And I say that only because I've seen 5% and I've seen lows as low as 1.3, which is a peach for me, because at least you are up every time. Obviously, they're coming soon. Google Play, Google download, so they're hoping for it to be an app. Get that on your Android or Apple. You're good money, whichever way you look at it. So guys, these are all the places you can find them. You can click through and you can get extra detail from the team. So everything is looking good. So what I'm going to do right now real quick is I'm going to sign in and see what's up. Right, guys, so we're in. So we're still active, guys. Obviously, we're still active as it stands because the New York Stock Exchange is still open. So there's 14 minutes before that's done. Now, if you look, I'm up 13 USDT so far today. Remember, I staked 500, so that's 23% in 11. When I checked earlier, this was 20% in 10 days. With 30 days to go, so 1/3 of the time spent has got me 20%, and obviously now we've moved on past 1/3, so you're looking at 60% after 30 days. That's glorious, guys. That's glorious. Makes me feel like I wish I put 2,000 in there. You know what I mean? So now, if I'm looking to top up. Essentially, I'm looking to see if I can increase that, and you might be seeing that shortly. So guys, remember, this 500 is as soon as you deposit your initial, it's held with the platform, and this 500 generates you the 2% daily. After that, you can top up, you can stake again if you wish. Remember, guys, I think the minimum is let's have a look what the minimum is. Let's stake funds. Let's try Tron, and let's have a look. Yeah, minimum amount is 10 USDT. So what I'm probably gonna do, come what may, I'm upping the tempo when it comes to this platform. It's a fantastic trading platform, guys. Let's do a live withdrawal. Why not? We got 13 today. Let's get that out very nicely. Let's have a look. Manage funds, withdraw funds. Always pick your TRC20 if that's the cryptocurrency you used initially. I'm going to come here, pop in the gains that I've made in one day. I've got a 2FA there that I need to pop in, and remember, guys, 2FA is paramount. Put that on all your platforms, and honestly, there's no excuse not to protect yourself, because this is full of cowboys, this DeFi space, and you can get caught very easily. So get your 2FA set up initially when you open the when you get started. I've got videos prior to this on how to get started. Now there you go, that's in process. I did that yesterday, I did that prior to that, and so forth, going backwards. So I'm happy with that. I can't say. And by the way, withdrawals are pretty instant. I could go in there in about 5 minutes and those funds will be in there. So this is a quick update. It was meant to be a 20% celebration when it came to where I was at. So we have broken the 20% barrier. We're off. So next time it's likely I'll do a video when I'm at 30%, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. This platform is oozing machismo. It's got everything. There's nothing I can say bad about it so far. Remember, it's good until it's not, but at the moment it's coasting. So I would say top platform for me, flagship platform for me. And remember, you can start with just 10 USDT. You can test it out, but I do feel this will be here for a long time. I will look to up my ante in this platform and see how that goes. So on that note, guys, for me, Crypto Weapon, got a Telegram group. Join the Telegram group. Let's talk about the DeFi space. Let's interact. If there are platforms that you feel are good and have been good to you, pop them on there. It's not a link dumping ground, but pop your platforms on there. I can look at them and I can join underneath you, no problem. All right, guys, and on that note, it's all but over.